How to use the Windows 11 AI Copilot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, Copilot is a AI tool where you can ask any questions and then AI will reply back to you within seconds. Now, if you want to use Copilot, then you'll need to go to the search option and search for Microsoft Store, open it up, and then search for Copilot on the search bar, and then you'll need to install it first. So, Microsoft Copilot is the free version, and Microsoft 365 Copilot is the paid version. So, if you are using the free version, then you can just tap on Microsoft Copilot and go ahead and then install it. Now, since I've already installed it, I can go to my search bar and then search for Copilot, and then I can open it up, and here you can see ask anything. Here you can ask anything that you want. So I'm going to ask, what is Newton's third law? You can even ask complicated questions and it will reply back to you within seconds. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.